So you want to make a difference in the world, but don't know where to start? Not to worry, ABSA Network has you covered. In this video, we'll briefly cover the step-by-step instructions of how to initiate a student organization in your university. The first and foremost step is to locate the student organization department and find the requirements to register as a religious student club on your university campus. Once that is completed, sit with your team and formulate the main idea or the purpose of your organization. With that in mind, you will have to formulate a constitution for your organization, a document clearly stating and outlining the purpose and structure of your organization. Be creative when establishing the name of your organization. Bear in mind, you do not have to have the name Ahlul-Bayt Student Association in order to be part of our network. Don't hesitate to reach out to us if you need to see examples of various constitutions. Now, before you go on to expanding your organization, it is important to budget where and how you'll be spending your funds. Your campus most likely provides general and event funding. Furthermore, do not shy away from asking your local masjid. There are plenty of fundraising opportunities you can initiate locally. Not to mention, ABSA Network can provide and collect donations for those who do not have the resources of starting an organization. Once you have a solid foundation, you can begin the recruitment process by making your organization known through word of mouth and creating a social media page to attract more people. Don't forget to develop an internal email list for those who are interested in joining. Google Contacts is one medium of doing so. Lastly, part of the process of actively starting an organization is to remain active from then on. You can do this by having bi-weekly meetings and holding events throughout the semester. One of the purposes of ABSA Network is to keep organizations around the world active, and so visit our website in the description below or contact us if you have any more questions. Thank you.